Good morning. I'm Venkat Lakshmi. I'm here to present the task 4, that is exploratory data analysis of terrorism. Here uh, I'm doing a survey on the terrorism data set. So based on that report, I write the code. Firstly, before going to the code, we implement the libraries required. So I implement the libraries like pandas, numpy, matplotlib and seaborn. Later we need to import the data. So we import the data of the global terrorism.csv file. So we import the data. In the data we have these kind of columns: event id, year, month, day. So like that there are 135 columns. So these are the total number of columns which are present in the data. Now we need to rename some of the column names, that is here I year, I month, event id. So like that we need to rename the columns. We need to rename some of the columns: I year, I month, something like that. So after that we represent the data as with these columns. Now in that 135 columns we just represent the 10 columns required. After that we show that the required 10 columns by using the code data.head of. So we are representing the year, month, day, country, state, region, city, longitude, latitude, attack type, kill, wound, target, summary. So like this we can only show the required number of columns and by removing the unwanted columns. So next, the size of the data is 53,051 into 18. Next, if the data contains any null values, we need to check that whether the data has any null values or not. So based on that we get these report. And next we are going to create a wound and a kill columns. So we use these lines. So we are here doing the creating the wound and the kill columns. Next, adding the casualties as a column to these wound and kill column. So we are doing by adding the two columns, that is kill and wound, and we are going to add another column of casualties. Here wound and kill columns are filled with zeros only. So next, data.information total. So here we see that the kill and wound columns are created, which are flow. Next, describe the data. We need to describe the data. Describe the data means we are taking the count, standard, mean, maximum value of every column. Later we are representing the how many attacks are happened in every year. So this is the graph which represents the how many attacks are happened in the every year. Next, this is the graph which represents the number of attacks happened every year at particular regions. So here the regions include Australia. In the entire world, some of the regions we are taken, that is these. So at these places the attacks are happening. So this is the graph of that attacks. Next, based on these graph we are counting the countries how many attacks are takes place. So in the every country, this is the country names and these are the attacks, count of the attack takes place. And next, this is the group value of the attack, means any attacker cannot attack a country as a single person, right? So they have a group and they name their group with some names. These are the group names which the attackers could represent them. So after that These are the top countries affected by the attackers, such as Peru. These are the top countries which are attacked by the terrorists. So Peru, Spain, Chile, etc. Next, we are representing, these graph represent people died due to attacks, means number of people are dying every year. So based on these report, in 2014 we have the highest number of death rates. Yeah, and next, this is the graph which represent the topmost affected city. Here the topmost affected city is something unknown. Yeah, this is the topmost affected city. And next, attack type. So these are the different kinds of attacks, like bombing attack, armed assault or assassination, facility or infrastructure attack. So like that, these are the types of attacks. And later, number of persons killed due to that attack. So based on this report, due to the armed assault, that means due to the armed forces, death rate is maximum, number of people are killed maximum. Next, number of wounded, means based on the bombing attacks, so many people are got wounded. Next, this is the graph which represent the attacks per year. Next, this is the top 10 attacks, top 10 group attacks which are happened. And next, this is the data that name of the groups and the country, and the number of persons are killed due to the attack. And next, the number of killed due to the attack are 98,030 members. So total number of due to the terrorist attacks, these many people are killed. Here type of kill means, as we seen before, that bombing attacks, armed assault, explosion. So like that, so many people are killed due to the armed assault. So country kill means based on this terrorist attack, which country has the highest death rate due to the terrorist attack. So based on this report, I conclude that most attacks due to the terrorists are done in Iraq, and the most attacked city is Baghdad, and the reason most attacked is Middle East and North Africa. And the most attacked year by the terrorist is 2014 in the month of May. So thank you.